Hi, welcome to the all-new CosenzApp. Stay up to date with the latest news, events, and exciting content, all presented in a fresh, modern design. Explore the power of augmented reality with MAB and let the artificial intelligence-driven Bretia guide you to new experiences. Plus, enjoy a wide range of recipes, cultural insights, and traditional highlights right at your fingertips. And what's more, CosenzApp was created using FluxBuilder, a powerful platform that made it easy to bring all these incredible features to life. Discover the future of your favorite app today. FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder creating mobile apps in minutes. Thank you.